In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving expansion and factorization for WASSCE Maths. So guys, we have 9 repeated questions to practice with in this video. So I'll be using basically the scientific calculator which is allowed in your WASSCE Maths to solve the questions we encounter in the course of this video. Alright, so after going through this video, you will be in a better position to tackle problems under expansion and factorization using your scientific calculator. Okay, so let's get started. The first question I have here is simplify this. Let's bring the calculator now and solve this. So this is a calculator. The very first thing to do will be to reset it, to put it in default mode. So to reset, press shift button 9, full instructions, press 3, press record and press record again. So we are good to go. Now we're going to store x as 2, which I recommend. So to store, press 2, shift this button and x. So x is stored as 2. Alright, so let's use it to simplify these fractions we have. We have 1 over 1 minus x alpha and this button. Okay, then we have plus a fraction 2 over 1 plus x. So that's it for this question. Let's press equal to now to see the output. Minus 1 over 3. So right now let's check the options. Anyone that gives us minus 1 over 3 will be the answer to this question. Okay, so maybe looking at the options we have here, I can decode that the right answer to this question will be option B. So let's check it. We have x alpha x minus 3 over 1 plus x alpha and this button. So that's a press equal to as 1 over 3, correct? The right option is option B. It's as simple as this. So the next repeated question will be this one. Alright, so let's bring the calculator and solve this question as well. Okay, so we have to simplify. We are still making use of the x we stored as 2 on this calculator. So we have 2x for this question, 2x squared minus 5x, okay, minus 12 over 4x squared minus 9. So that's the let's press equal to see the output. Minus 2. So right now we're going to simplify the options. Anyone that gives us minus 2 will be the answer to this question. Okay, so let's begin with option A. So we have x plus 4 over 2x plus 3. No, so let's take option B. Let's adjust this here. So remove this and put minus. Okay, so we have 2x minus 3 here. Exactly, so the right option this question is option B. It's as simple as this. Let's solve the next question, which is this question 4. So it says simplify this. This is straightforward. Let's bring the calculator and solve this. So for this question, so let's just input root 2, you give space, then in brackets we have root 6, okay, you give space again, put plus, okay, 2 root 2, okay, you give space and close the bracket, then we have minus 2 root 3. So that's what we have there. Press equal to 4. The right option is option A. It's as simple as this. So that's it for this question. So the next repeated question will be this one. It says simplify this. Let's bring a calculator. This is also simple. So we are still making use of the 2 we stored as x. So we have in fraction 3x square over in brackets we have 3x. Okay, close the bracket to the power 3. That's it. Okay, we have cube here, not square. Okay, 3x cube over 3x in bracket, the power is outside cube. Okay, 1 over 9. So the right option is option D for this question. It's as simple as this. Next question will be this one. So guys, before I solve this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel for more of these videos. Really appreciate this. One more thing, if you want to learn more about how to use this calculator to solve deeper problems in expansion and factorization for your WASSCE Maths, I have a separate channel for calculator tricks called Casio Calculator Tutor. In that channel, I recorded about 100 videos on WASSCE Maths. I'm going to leave the link to that channel in the description of this video below. So check the description of this video below. See the link to my channel, Casio Calculator Tutor. Watch those WASSCE Maths videos there using this Casio calculator. You're glad you did. You will learn a lot, guys. So let's solve this question. Let's put the calculator. Okay, so for this question, we are still working with this 2 is stored as x. So we have, let's simplify this. Okay, 2 over 1 minus x. Okay, minus a fraction 1 over x. So let's press equal to minus 5 over 2. Right now, let's check the options. Anyone that gives us minus 5 over 2 will be the answer. So we have this x minus 1 over, so it come down x in brackets 1 minus x, close the bracket. So that's it. No, we got minus 5 over 2. Let's take option B. Let's adjust it here, guys. Put 3 here for option B. Then come here and put plus. That's it. No, let's take option C. The difference, remove this plus and put minus. Exactly. So the right option is option C. That's it for this question. The next question will be this one. So it says simplify this. Alright, so let's bring a calculator and solve this as well. So for this question, I'm going to replace our k with x on the calculator. So x is already stored as 2. So we have 54 and 54x square minus 6 over 3. Our x is replacing k plus 1. So that's it, guys. Press equal to 30. So right now, let's take any option that gives us that to be the answer. Let's begin with option A. We have 3x square minus 1. Close the brackets. So that's it. No. Let's take option B. So here we have 3x square. Okay, so remove this and put 1. That's it. Press equal to. No. So let's check option D, guys. It has to be option D. Let me show you. It has to be option D. 3k. That's okay. Minus 1. This has to give us that. It has to, definitely. Exactly. So the right option is option D. That's it for this question. The last question before I end this video will be this one. It says expand this. So for this question, we're still going to work with the x we stored as 2 on the calculator. Let's solve this. Let's bring the calculator. Alright, so x is still stored as 2. So we have 2x, okay, minus 5. Close the bracket. Okay, we have x minus 3. Close the bracket. That's it. Press equals 1. So guys, we're having 1 right now. Let's simplify the options. Anyone that gives us 1 will be the answer to this question. Let's begin with option A. So we have x squared minus 5x minus 15. No? So let's take option B. So this will be 11. No? Let's take option C. So we have 8 here. We have 5 here. Alright. And we have 2 here. Okay. No? So let's check this. It has to be option D. We have 15. Then we have 11 here. Alright. Yeah, so that's what we have there. Okay, there is plus here. Alright, so that's what we have there. Exactly 1. So guys, the right option is option D. This is basically I can do problems involving expansion and factorization using this calculator for WASSCE Maths. Hope there's something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video here guys. If you're new to this channel once, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I will ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of this channel membership by clicking the join button where you'll be getting premium information that will help you extend your external exams like WASSCE and other external exams you'll be writing. Don't forget to also check out my Casio calculator tutorial channel where you will see more detailed videos on WASSCE Maths problems, how to solve them using this Casio calculator. Alright, so I'll leave the link to that channel in the description of this video below. Check the description of this video below. You see the link to the channel. Go there, watch those videos. Be glad you did. Having known this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to reset this calculator. Just press shift button 9. Put instructions, press 3, press record and press record again. So that's it.